Our goal is to create a dynamic, clickable table of contents that updates automatically. Before we begin, it's important to understand how a table of contents works. Google Docs automatically creates your table of contents based on heading styles, such as Heading 1 or Heading 2, applied in your document. This means simply bolding text or making it larger won't add it to the table of contents. That means for the chapters and subsections you have, you must apply the appropriate heading style to those texts. To get started, we'll go through our example document and apply these styles to the titles of its chapters and subsections. Step 1. Apply styles. First, select the text for your main sections. In our example, that's Chapter 1. Then, from the Style drop-down menu in the toolbar, which currently says Normal Text, choose Heading 1. Click Apply Heading 1. We'll do the same for Chapter 2. Select it and apply Heading 1. Then for subsections within those chapters, like Subsection 1 under Chapter 1, we'll select the text and apply Heading 2 from the Style dropdown. Click Apply Heading 2. We'll repeat this for Subsection 2 under Chapter 1, and then for Subsection 1 and Subsection 2 under Chapter 2, applying Heading 2 feet to each. This tells Google Docs these are subsections under the main chapter. Notice that as soon as you apply a Heading 1 or Heading 2, the document outline on the left updates and shows your chapters and subsections. This is a great feature that you can also use for easy navigation. Heading 1 creates a top-level entry, while Heading 2 creates an indented sub-entry. You can click these entries in the outline to easily navigate through your document. Step 2. Add a page break. Before inserting the table of contents, it's a good idea to place it on its own page. We'll put it right after our title page information and before Chapter 1. Place your cursor where you want the new page to begin. Then go to the Insert menu, select Break, and then choose Page Break. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Control plus Enter or Command plus Enter on a Mac. This creates a new blank page where our table of contents will appear neatly. Step 3. Insert the table of contents. Now that our document has structured headings and a dedicated page, we can insert the table of contents. Make sure your cursor is on the new blank page where you want the table of contents to appear. Go to the Insert menu, scroll down to Table of Contents, and you'll see 3 style options. These options are plain text, dotted, and links. For now, we'll select the first option, plain text. Click on it. We can always customize its appearance later. And there it is, our basic table of contents. Step 4. Use and update. Once inserted, your table of contents shows your headings connected to their page numbers. As we mentioned, the heading text itself is clickable for easy navigation within Google Docs, and this clickability is preserved when exporting to PDF. Let's try it out. If I click on the text for Subsection 1 under Chapter 2 in the table of contents, it navigates me directly to that part of the document. This is handy for both digital viewing and for referencing page numbers if you print it. Now, what if we add new content? Let's say we add a Subsection 3 under Chapter 1 and apply the Heading 2 style to it. Now let's look at our table of contents. It won't update automatically. You need to give it a little nudge. To refresh it, simply click anywhere on the table of contents and then click the update icon on the left. Or you can right-click the table of contents and choose Update Table of Contents. This will pull in any new headings or changes you've made, including our new Subsection 3. Step 5. Customize your table of contents. There are also some options to customize your table of contents further. Click anywhere inside the table of contents. Click on the 3 dots icon on the left and then choose More Options. This opens up the Table of Contents options panel on the right. Under the Formatting tab, you can see a checkbox for Show Page Numbers. If you uncheck this, the page numbers will disappear. Let's check it again to bring them back. Then there's Tab Leader. Currently, it's set to None because we chose Plain Text. If you click the drop-down, you can select the dotted line style. Let's select that, and you can see the dotted lines now connect the heading to the page number. There are other line styles too. Now let's look at the heading levels section. Here you can decide which heading levels to include. For example, if you only want main chapters, heading 1, and not subsections, heading 2, you can adjust the show heading levels up to option to heading 1. And that's how you create, update, and customize a dynamic, navigable table of contents in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. Happy writing!